What's the deal, YouTube, man? We just got something in the mail today. Let's go, man. We just got something in the mail. So let's go ahead and open this package up and show y'all what it is. If y'all can tell by the title, y'all probably already know what it is. Come on, man. Woo. Hold on, I don't think y'all ready. Hold on. Oh my God. We got something in the mail. I don't think y'all ready for it. It's that new Torino Pro. That new style. Oh my God. Medium hard, you know. Let's check it out. Box real nice. Torino Pro Wave brushes by Brush King. Woo! My goodness. 100% authentic. Y'all make sure y'all go get him a follow, man. Go get him a follow right now. Here it is right here. Go get him a follow at Brush Kings _ 360Waves brushes. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Hold on. Peel that tape off right there. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this brush is so amazing. This is my first time ever having a curved brush like this. And it's just so amazing. Check out the brush. Whoo! Let's give it a 360 for y'all. Oh my goodness. This brush is so amazing. Oh my God. Now I know what y'all thinking. Get to the brush session already. Like, oh, it just feels so good. I ain't even barely even felt it. I was feeling this part and it just feels so good. Like, y'all see the color on it? Like, oh my God, this feel like marble. The bristles feel nice and hard. You know, it's a medium hard like it said on the box. It feels just like that. I like how it feels. It got a nice feel to it. This brush right here just got a nice feel to it. It feels so amazing. It's a new curved brush, man. These are the new Torino Pro brushes. And these the old ones, but they still nice too. So I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about the curved one and about the regular one. They both Torino Pros. They both feel nice and good. Nice little feel to it. I like how they all feel. Even this soft one right here I got right here, Torino Pro. They all Torinos. Now the difference between these two, I heard a lot around the wave game that these ones really help with the crown area. It really helps get your crown right. So I'm gonna really put this to use because I heard this is really good for the crown. Like, it's so amazing. Like, I'm gonna really try it out because I've been seeing 360 GZ and a lot of the other elite wavers really use this on their crown. A lot of people are starting to switch over to these brushes. So, you know, I had to switch over too. It's so amazing. Like, I don't think y'all see it. Like, she's so amazing. It's just so beautiful. Let's get right into the brush session, man. Let me show y'all. Let me unrag. I haven't unragged since last night, since I got my last brush session in. Let's get a brush session in with y'all with the new brush. This is fresh out the DURAG. I am woofing right now. So let me show y'all my waves fresh out the DURAG. I might have a DURAG line on the back or something, but y'all check it out. I ain't afraid to show y'all. Now, it's time for that brush session. Let's get it in. This brush right here gonna be helping me with a lot of woofing, man. Let me just show y'all the pull on this brush. Y'all need to go on and get the new Torino Pros. They feel so good, I swear. Like, all of these brushes right here are amazing. These are the new generation. These ones was cool. These ones was cool and all, but now it's curve gang. It's curve gang or no gang. Now it's curve gang or no gang. I'm getting plenty curve brushes on y'all. Now I'm gonna show y'all the difference between the curve brush and the regular Torino Pro brush. Now, as you can see, if I wanna hit this side and brush straight like that, it's not really hitting like it's supposed to. Like when I hit this side, you see how those bristles are up? With the curved brush, those bristles are down because it is curved. You see the curvedness? This one's straight. Big difference. Now in size-wise, they are pretty much the same size. Pretty much the same exact size. You can tell I've been having this one for a while. Now with the stickers that's on the brush, it feels so amazing. They're not even stickers, they're actually like laminated onto the brush. Now, if you actually feel the difference, they both feel the same because he came out with a new way of doing it. With the old one, it's a little bulky, but it never came off. And with the new ones, they're like in the brush, so it don't come off at all. Like these ones don't ever come off. They don't ever come off, man. They don't ever come off. One thing I've learned in the wave game is all them other brushes, like from the beauty supplies and any other brush from any other company that has a design or a label, they always smear off because you're greased and your hands is always greasy because you know you put grease in your hair, but you should always wash your hands after you put grease in your hair. These signs don't come off. I've been having these for a minute. I didn't have grease in my hands plenty of times. I didn't wash in style, and the sign just never came off. With other brushes, the signs will smoothly come off. Now, like I was saying, man, I'm a coarse hair waver, and I'm using this product right here. I'm gonna apply some of this product, and I'm gonna get a brush session in with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my hair shine. I'm gonna show y'all my waves right now before it even got the product in there, and I'm gonna show y'all after the product's in there. So this is my waves before. So that's before the product is put in my hair. Now let's apply the product in my hair. I'm gonna take a good chunk because I don't have no product in my hair right now, you guys. You know, make sure you don't get nowhere on your jacket. Just look how I got my hands. Now it's time for that brush session. Now that you applied your product and it's giving it a natural shine, you want to brush it into your hair. Put this brush back in the box because it's just too amazing. I can't even brush my hair with it right now. Put that right back in the box, man. This brush right here is the one. It feels so amazing. It's my first curved brush, medium hard. I'm gonna put in so much work with this brush thanks to the Torino Pro. It feels so good. But that was my review on this Torino Pro, man. Y'all probably wondering why my do-rag like this. I just like to style it out sometimes, be different from the odds, be different from the rest. Yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all give the video a thumbs up, man. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on post notifications, more heat dropping for y'all. That was the review on the Torino Pro curved brush, medium hard. It felt so amazing. It was just so beautiful, man. I recommend y'all really go get it. You know, this is not a paid promotion. I just really rock with Torino Pros. They're my favorite type of brushes. As y'all can see, I got about 3 of them, man. They so amazing. Like, I really love them, man. There's plenty more to come. Follow me on Instagram. It's Rico the Waver, and I'm out.